हेलो क्लास 8। आज आप फाइनाइट एंड नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब्स के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। तो वर्ब आर इधर फाइनाइट आर नॉन फाइनाइट। फाइनाइट वर्ब्स, a verb that is limited by the number and person of its subject is finite verb. All the verb in the indicative, subjunctive and imperative moods are finite verbs. All transitive, intransitive and auxiliary verbs are also finite verbs. The forms of finite verbs change if the person is changes. जैसे I play, यहाँ पे I क्या है? फर्स्ट पर्सन. He plays, he थर्ड पर्सन. The number is changed as he goes, तो he singular number and they go, they plural number. Second, the tense is changed as I work and I worked. I work your present tense and I work your past tense. In the above example, the verb work, go and play are limited by number, person and tense. So they are known as finite verb. Non-finite verb. There are three types of verb that are not limited by person, number and tense. They are infinitive, participle and gerund. These three are the non-finite forms of verb. Infinitive. An infinitive is a form of verb that is not limited by person, number and tense. It is often preceded by to, but in some cases it is used without to as well. I like to read books. They are coming to meet me. In the above sentence, the infinitives to read and to meet are not limited by the person, number or tense. Forms: to eat, active voice; to be eaten, passive voice. The following verb do not take to. Okay. Make, beat, let, hear, see, feel, watch, need, notice. इन सब वर्ड में to का यूज नहीं होगा. With the following auxiliary verb, we do not use to. Okay. Do, does, did, shall, will, should, can, may, might. Examples: I made her return the money. Second, we saw her go. Third, please let me do it. Fourth, he can dance. Fifth, you may go out. Uses of infinitives. Infinitive can be used as subject of a verb. For example, to please everybody is not possible. Second, to tell lies is a sin. Number 3, to do one's duty is a good habit. Object of a transitive verb. For example, he wanted to stay these. Sam does not like to sing. Asif planned to go on a long journey. Complement of a verb of incomplete prediction. For example, this is to certify that she is an honest girl. It seems to be a holiday and my duty is to learn my chapter. An object complement, for example, the object of a proposition. For example, the bus is about to leave. He got up to open the door and I came out to greet him. We also use infinitives in the following cases: with adverb and enough. He is too weak to stand. You are old enough to know the way. As an adverb to tell purpose. On our way, we stopped to buy some vegetables and they waited for 2 hours to watch the live telecast. यानी पर्पस शो किया गया है to buy to watch. Okay. To qualifying an adjective or a noun, oxygen is necessary to support life. Second, work is essential to keep the life going. Number 3, he is anxious to finish the homework. Last, this is not the time to play. To qualify a sentence, to tell you the truth, do not know how I won the match. To make matters worse, he started gambling. Participle. A participle is a word which is partially a verb, okay, and partially an adjective. Partially verb होता है और partially क्या होता है adjective. It plays the function of both in a sentence, okay. It is therefore also called verb adjective, okay. So first, seeing the police, the thief run away, okay. I saw a boy swimming in the pond. Safe driving has its own charm. Types of participle. There are 3 types of participle: present, past, and perfect participle. Look here table, okay. Here active, in active wise you will use this type of verb, okay, and passive wise you will use this type of verb, okay. So here present participle you will use eating, and in passive form you will use being eaten, okay, and in past participle you will use eaten, and in passive form you will use being eaten, and in perfect participle you will use having eaten, and in passive form you will use having been eaten, okay. Participle phrase. If the main word is a phrase, is a participle, it is known as a participle phrase. For example, having failed in his effort, he started to sell garments. Jumping down from the roof, the poor man committed suicide. Uses of participle to qualify nouns. For example, I am watching an interesting movie. Parul is a loving mother, and I have a broken table in my chair. As subjective complements, the movie was boring and the news was shocking. He looks tired. As objective compliments, I saw him weeping. I found the diary flawed. If two action of the same subject, I can listen. If two action of the same subject are expressed and one of them follows the other, then the former action, that means first action, former means first action, can be denoted by the participle. For example, hearing the noise, he went out. Having completed the homework, the children played cricket. Defeated by the rival team, the coach resigned. If two actions occur at the same time, so one of them is shown by a present participle. Okay. The boy went out crying. Okay, here's the two action, went out and second is crying. Pointing at the map, the leader is showed the way. Okay, here is a two action, pointing and second showed the way. Sonam entered. Here first action entered and second laughing. Okay, then we can use participle in a place of clause with noun or pronoun preceding them. Good, God willing, we shall have a good harvest. The weather being cloudy, we cancelled the tour. The day being hot, we could not go out. gerund. A gerund is a form of verb which does the work of noun. Okay, gerund क्या है? वर्ब की एक फॉर्म है which does the work of a noun, जो कि नाउन के जैसा वर्क करता है. So it is known as a verb noun. For example, jogging is a good exercise. Eating all the time is not good habit. Here, no, sorry, he knows the method of teaching. Here, jogging, eating, teaching are gerund. Okay, which work as a noun. The noun or pronoun which comes before a gerund is always in the possessive case. Okay, the noun or a pronoun which comes before a gerund is always in the possessive case. His success depend on his working hard. Okay, and I insist on your attending college. A gerund is formed by adding ing to the verb, perhaps. So present, here is a table. Okay, in present, eating, and passive form, being eating. Okay, perfect, having eaten, and passive form, having been eaten. Uses of gerund as the subject of a verb. Running is a good exercise. Hunting wild animals is prohibited. Smoking is injurious to health. As the object of transitive verb. Okay, transitive verb में भी यूज ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए भी यूज किया जा सकता है. जैसे लीना likes singing. Here singing is a gerund. Okay, I enjoy sleeping. Sleeping is not verb. Okay, sleeping is your object. Okay, this is in form of gerund. The baby started weeping. As the object of a proposition, I am tired of singing. Many children are fond of watching movies. Okay, as the complement of a verb, my hobby is gardening. The girl's main problem is coming to school. What I want is your enjoying the stay.